Hello, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a desktop shortcut in Windows 10 so you can quickly access your favorite apps anytime. This video will guide you step by step to create shortcuts easily on your desktop. Step 1. Click on the Start menu, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens a list of all the apps installed on your computer and is the first place you need to go to access the app you want. Step 2. Scroll through the list of apps to find the one you want to create a shortcut for. Take your time to locate it, as some apps might be grouped in folders or listed alphabetically, making it easier to organize. Step 3. Left-click and hold the app, then drag it onto your desktop. This action allows you to move the app from the Start menu to the desktop, which is very convenient if you use it often. Step 4. Release the mouse button to place the shortcut on your desktop. Now, the app has a shortcut icon on your desktop, so you can double-click it anytime to open the program quickly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.